So let's start our today's topic. Exception handling is the unaccepted situation scenarios, scenarios which which occurs at the which occurs at the time of execution of the program. The time of execution of the program, execution of the pro- execution due to which execution due to which program which program which program terminate stop execution, terminate top execution, handling execution handling is a way to avoid avoid the avoid the avoid the abnormal terminate on off the program on of the program by handling the execution and and also can provide provide alternative wave 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 and unaccepted scenarios in the program is the exception handling. The in this exception handling there are multiple keywords. There are multiple keywords which are there are multiple keywords which are used in execution, which are execution handling, exception handling. Try keyword, cache, and finally the try is a block. The try is a block in which you can write a code. You can write a statement in try block. You can write a statement it's which may throw exception catch. The second one is keyword is catch. Catch is the catch is a block. Catch is a block which is used in catch is the blocks which is used in handling the exception exception thrown from the try block inside catch block you have to provide R. Block you have to provide R the exception. Block you have to provide at the exception type. The third one is finally keyword. Finally block. The finally is the last exception handling occur. The first one is try and catch. In which you can decide the used to exception statement always irrespected due to exception of try and catch, try and catch. So this is our today's topic, exception handling. You can discuss about the exception. What is exception handling? There are multiple keyword in exception handling. All can discuss about in this video. Thank you so much.